Okay, welcome back, guys. Today I have Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 model. This car 2022. So here I'm going to show you how to on the workshop setting. First, you need to on the accessory. Then you can see here the trip display. Then you push and hold the return button and the home button same time, but around 5 seconds. Then you push the OK button. Okay, here you can see the assistant plus workshop setting. Then you enter. Then you can see here workshop vehicle data, brake pad replacement, service reset. So you go to the service reset, then turn on the ignition. Okay, here you can see the service data and the full service. From using that one, you can reset the service. So this is how you turn on the workshop setting. You can use this one to reset the way service data. Then if you're going to change the brake pad, so you can release the parking brake from using here. So this one very important. If you know this one, you no need to go to the workshop. You can do it by yourself. So see you guys, see you another video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.